Hey, my name's Tony Krupp, tech rep for Nikon. I'm here at Bedford Cameras PhotoCon and talking to you about the new Z-Series cameras. We're kind of showing off the Z6 and the Z7 today, along with a couple of the brand new lenses. 24 to 70 f4, new 35mm 1.8, and of course 50mm 1.8 lens. The Z-Series, it's our introduction to the mirrorless world. It's all new mount, which is one of my favorite options of the camera. It's a bigger, brighter mount. You can get better lenses that are sharper than anything we've ever done before, and they just perform better than anything before. For those of you who still have a lot of F-mount glass that's out there, totally no problem working with the new mirrorless cameras using the FTZ adapter. It's a seamless operation. You put it on there, they fit just fine, works perfectly. Video quality is now through the roof as this is being recorded on the Z6 as we speak, and really starting to get that video following that's in there. Differences, I get a lot of questions between that on the Z6 and the Z7. Mostly you're looking at megapixels. Z6 running at 24 megapixels, give you a little better higher ISO capability. Z7s for the print king, 45 megapixels out there. 493 autofocus points versus 273 autofocus points on the Z6. Either way, some fantastic deals we've been having on there. Come on down to Bedford Camera and pick yours up today.